Imagine you are driving down the road and suddenly your transmission starts slipping, or even worse. The car feels like it is stuck in one gear and won't shift no matter how much gas you give it. This is often the result of the P2809 code, which means your pressure control solenoid key is stuck in the on position. Your automatic transmission is a complex beast controlled by fluid pressure, bands, and clutches. These solenoids act like gates that direct the fluid to the right place at the exact right time to change your gears smoothly. When solenoid key gets stuck, the fluid stays pressurized when it should not be, leading to that slipping feeling or the car entering what we call limp mode to protect itself. You might even notice your fuel economy dropping or the transmission running way hotter than normal. Before you start panicking about a total transmission rebuild, check the simplest thing first, which is your transmission fluid. If the fluid is dirty, dark, or smells burnt, it can cause these solenoids to physically jam up. Also, check your records to see when the last time you changed that filter was, because a clogged filter can starve the system of the pressure it needs. If the fluid looks okay, you will need to get under there and check the wiring harness leading to the transmission. Look for any damaged pins or loose connections at the PCM and the transmission housing. For the advanced side of things, you can use a digital multimeter to check for continuity. In a perfect world, your wiring should show 0 ohms of resistance, meaning the signal is flowing perfectly. If you see a high resistance value or an open circuit reading, you have found your culprit in the wiring. While a faulty pump or a bad valve body can cause this, most of the time it comes down to old fluid or a solenoid that has simply reached the end of its life. Keeping that fluid clean is the best way to avoid these solenoid issues, so treat your transmission to a fresh batch of fluid and a new filter if it has been a while.